Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 1277. Count the square submatrices with all ones, and we'll be given a m cross n matrix of ones and zeros, and we have to return how many squares and submatrices, how many square submatrices have all ones. Okay. And in this we are given, let's say, the matrix which is 0, then triple one, then 4 times 1, and then 0 triple one. So in total we are having 15 types of submatrix, square submatrices, which are having all ones. So individual ones are the ones uh, which are a valid answer, so that sums up to 10. Then there are four squares of side 2, basically this, and then this. These are all the four square submatrices which are valid, and that contains only one. And there is just one square matrix, a square submatrix of size 3, which is having all ones, which is this particular square matrix. Okay, so we have to return the total number of square matrices which are having all ones. Okay, so firstly let's have the number of rows, so that is equal to matrix 0. Let's just keep it int m, that is equal to row matrix dot length, and n is equal to matrix 0 dot length. Okay, now let's have a dp array, because obviously we'll be needing it for this, so that will be equal to of size m plus 1 and n plus 1. mm, let's wrap it in the square brackets. Okay, now let's have our answer variable, so that is initially 0, and we'll be traversing in the matrix over int I equal to 0, I less than m, I plus plus, and then for int j equal to 0, j less than n, j plus plus. And for like having square matrix, we'll have to make sure that it contains 1, so we'll be adding the condition that if and only if the matrix of ij is equal to 1, then I'll have to update some of the conditions. Then I'll be updating the dp of I plus 1 j plus 1 will be equal to minimum of, because obviously we'll be needing the minimum of rows and columns to form a square matrix. Okay, so that will be of dp of ij comma minimum of dp of ij plus 1 and dp of I plus 1 and j plus 1 plus 1, because the current matrix can also be a valid sum matrix. And after that I'll be updating my answer to be sorry, I'll have, in this if block only, answer plus equal to dp of I plus 1, ah, I plus 1 and j plus 1. Okay, and at the end I'll just return my answer. Okay, return answer. Now let's give it a run. Wrong answer. 10 output was 10, it comes out to be 15. Where did I made it wrong? dp of if matrix of ij is equal to 1, I plus plus j plus plus, perfect. And then dp of I plus 1 j plus 1 is equal to minimum of dp of ij plus 1. Okay, so where did I made a issue? I'll just go have a check. Oh, okay, so I made a stupid error here. It should be I plus 1 and then just j. Now let's give it a run again, and it gets clipped. Now let's submit it, and it gets accepted as well, and it works probably fine. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching.